Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk function health. I'm going to provide you some information like does their test really worth it or not, why you should not take any test or any you can say like membership on this platform. So in this video we will cover lots of information. Does investing price in this brand is really worthy or not? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like this brand is very popular because they are offering right now 100 plus 160 plus lab test in their you can like membership plan. Okay, so basically if you want to take any kind of blood test or any kind of test, you need to take a membership, and the membership cost, as you know very well, like they are providing $365 for 1 year. Okay, in the period of 1 year you can take any kind of test and you can monitor your test, and you can they will provide you personalized food supplements and guides, and after few months you can take your test again in the same price. Okay, so this is the best part. Now if we talk about like reviews, basically when we checking their reviews is really good. They have like 4.3 ratings on Trustpilot, and the most of the reviews is like 5-star rated, and some of them are providing you can say like only 1-star rated. And the reason is like everyone you can say like maybe some of them are facing problems, but the best part, the customer support is very active and they are in touch with their customers. Okay, each and every review will getting reply from their side. Okay, so if we talk about like you should take any you can say like membership or not. So basically according to our research and according to our you can say like information, that taking any kind of membership on this platform is really worthy. Okay, because they have lots of tests, and you just need to you can say like take a membership, and you just need to simply schedule an appointment, and they will collect your blood and they will provide you each and every details related to your blood and related to your test, and they will provide you guidance also related to your food supplements. Each and everything they will handle. You just need to book an appointment. Okay, so you can see over here there is a list of 160 plus you can say like blood test they are you can say like providing right now. So basically this is really looking like a good thing, and as my experience, this is looking like a really good brand. Okay, so now if we talk about you should buy or not any you can like treatment or blood test, yes you can take. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you can check out there you can like blood test they are offering right now: electrolyte, pancreas, brain health, electrolytes, allergy and sensitivities, urine, sexual health. Like you can say there are lots of things. You don't need to visit anywhere. You just need to simply you can say like tell them that they will provide you your results. Okay, or you can take any test at any time. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.